Near convention cost today as indicated by the most recent information accumulated. The ongoing cost of near convention is $2.47, and near is buy and by position no. 31 in the whole crypto environment. The flow supply of near convention is 850,744,439 near, with a market cap of $2,098,915,758.60. In the beyond 24 hours, the crypto has diminished by $0 its ongoing worth. Throughout the previous 7 days, near has been in a decent vertical pattern, hence expanding by 3.93%. Near convention has shown areas of strength for extremely of late, and this could be a decent chance to dive right in and contribute. During the last month, the cost of near has expanded by 85.89%, adding an enormous typical measure of $2.12 to its ongoing worth. Near convention value forecast 2023. As per the specialized examination of near convention costs expected in 2023, the base expense of near convention will be $3.54. The greatest level that the near cost can reach is $4.19. The typical exchanging cost is normal around $3.67. Likely return on initial capital investment, 68.3% by near value conjecture for January 2023 in view of the value vacillations of near convention toward the start of 2022. Crypto specialists expect the typical near pace of $2.68 in January 2023. Its base and greatest costs can be anticipated at $2.45 and at $2.75 individually. Possible return on initial capital investment, 10.4% by February 2023. Near convention value gauge digital money specialists are prepared to declare their figure at the near cost in February 2023. The base exchanging cost may be $2.65, while the greatest could reach $2.89 during this month. By and large, it is normal that the worth of near convention may be around $2.76. Likely return for money invested, 16.1% by near value conjecture for WALK 2023. Crypto examiners have really taken a look at the value variances of near convention in 2022 and in earlier years, so the normal near rate they anticipate may be around $2.81 in WALK 2023. It can drop to $2.68 as a base. The most extreme worth may be $3. Possible return for money invested, 20.5% by April 2023. Near convention value conjecture around mid-year 2022. The near cost will be exchanged at $2.90 overall. April 2023 could likewise observe an expansion in the near convention worth to $3.11. It is expected that the cost won't drop lower than $2.77 in April 2023. Expected return for money invested, 24.9% by near value figure for May 2023. Crypto specialists have dissected near convention costs in 2022, so they are prepared to give their assessed exchanging normal to May 2023, $3.01. The most reduced and top near rates may be $2.88 and $3.23. Likely return for capital invested, 29.7% by June 2023. Near convention value conjecture crypto examiners expect that toward the finish of summer 2022, the near cost will be around $3.10. In June 2023, the near convention cost might drop to at least $2.97. The normal pinnacle worth may be $3.35 in June 2023. Likely return on initial capital investment, 34.5% by near value conjecture for July 2023. Having examined near convention costs, digital currency specialists expect that the near rate could arrive at a limit of $3.47 in July 2023. It may, be that as it may, drop to $3.10. For July 2023, the anticipated normal of near convention is nearly $3.23. Likely return for money invested, 39.4% by August 2023. Near convention value conjecture around mid-2022. The near convention cost will be exchanged at the typical degree of $3.36. Crypto experts expect that in August 2023, the near cost could vacillate somewhere in the range of $3.23 and $3.60. Likely return for capital invested, 44.6% by near value figure for September 2023. Market specialists expect that in September 2023, the near convention worth won't dip under at least $3.32. The greatest pinnacle expected for the current month is $3.73. The assessed typical exchanging worth will be at the degree of $3.42. Possible return for capital invested, 49.8% by October 2023. Near convention value figure digital money specialists have painstakingly dissected the scope of near costs all through 2022. For October 2023, their figure is the accompany. the greatest exchanging worth of near convention will be around $3.87, with a chance of dropping to at least $3.39. In October 2023, the normal expense will be $3.49. Possible return for money invested. 55.4% buy near value estimate for November 2023 in light of the value changes of near convention toward the start of 2022. Crypto specialists expect the typical near pace of $3.60 in November 2023. Its base and most extreme costs can be anticipated at $3.49 and at $4.01 separately. Likely return for money invested. 61% by December 2023. Near convention value conjecture digital currency specialists are prepared to declare their estimate at the near cost in December 2023. The base exchanging cost may be $3.54, while the greatest could reach $4.19 during this month. By and large, it is normal that the worth of near convention may be around $3.67. Possible return for money invested. 68.3% by near convention value expectation 2024 after the examination of the costs of near convention in earlier years. It is accepted that in 2024, the base cost of near convention will be around $5.08. The greatest expected near cost might be around $6.27. By and large, the exchanging cost may be $5.23 in 2024. Near convention value expectation 2025 in light of the specialized examination by cryptographic money specialists in regards to the costs of near convention. In 2025, near is supposed to have the accompanying least and most extreme costs, about $7.33 and $9.07 separately. The typical expected exchanging cost is $7.59. Near convention value forecast 2026. The specialists in the field of digital currency have examined the costs of near convention and their variances during the earlier years. It is expected that in 2026, the base near cost could drop to $10.34, while its greatest can reach $12.62. By and large, the exchanging cost will be around $10.72. Near convention value expectation 2027 in light of the examination of the expenses of near convention by crypto specialists. The accompanying most extreme and least near costs are normal in 2027, $17.85 and $14.12. All things considered, it will be exchanged at $14.54. Near convention value forecast 2028. Crypto specialists are continually investigating the vacillations of near convention. In light of their expectations, the assessed typical near cost will be around $22.18. It could drop to at least $21.60. However, it actually could reach $25.01 all through 2028. Near convention value expectation 2029 consistently. Digital money specialists plan conjectures at the cost of near convention. It is assessed that near will be exchanged somewhere in the range